Turn now to our partnership with George Washington University's Planet Forward. It's a group that seeks out innovative ideas in the areas of energy and sustainability. If driving your car on gas is bad for the air, why not drive on something like air? Planet Forward's Frank Sesno tells us about a new way to fuel our cars.
What if I told you cars like this are running off gas made out of thin air? Literally. Well, Air Fuel Synthesis, a small British company, says it's put the pieces together to synthesize gas using carbon in the air and hydrogen in the water. They uploaded their idea to planetforward.org.
We are taking existing technology and using it to be able to prove that, demystify this initial gut reaction people have that this is magic. I mean, it's very useful, it's almost magic, but it's chemistry.
The magic chemistry involves capturing carbon dioxide and water, then through electrolysis, electric current, isolating the hydrogen from the water, then having it react with carbon dioxide to make liquid hydrocarbon fuels. The outcome, a clean carbon-neutral fuel that holds the promise of dramatically reducing transportation's carbon footprint.
It's the creating of a closed loop by taking the carbon out of the atmosphere that's causing global warming and using it to make fuel.
While still in the early stages of development, AFS has decided what better place to test things out than the racetrack.
If these technologies can last racing, they will for sure last going shopping or commuting.
Chimera Project has partnered with AFS to bring its carbon-neutral gas to the racing industry, an industry that's actually been a leader in sustainable, non-fossil fuel-based technologies.
Our aim is to be able, on an ideal world, to be able to provide zero emissions, zero carbon footprint racing with the same thrills, joys, excitement that historically racing has provided.
In the future, air capture technology just might shift gears from the racetrack and go to roads and highways around the world to move the planet forward.
With us now from Washington is Frank Sesno, the creator of Planet Forward. That is very cool, Frank. And you teased there, when does it move beyond racing?
Well, that's going to be a while. The racetrack is a great place to be, a testing ground, a proving ground, because they pay so much more for their fuel anyway, they use so much less, and it's a captive audience, a very interested audience as well. Getting to mass consumption of this stuff, first of all, it still is very expensive. You'd never pay anything remotely like this per gallon. Secondly, you'd need a massive infrastructure. There was one estimate that I was looking at that said a typical refinery that could do this thing would run well north of $10, $12, $13 billion. So the technology's not there, the energy consumption patterns to create this stuff not quite there yet. But the gateway technology, on your mark, get set, go. It's at a racetrack near you if you look hard enough.
I'm sure some people would love to go for a test drive. Thanks, Frank, as always.
Sure.
And if you have an idea you'd like to submit to Planet Forward, visit planetforward.org. For more environmental and sustainability news, by the way, check out Bloomberg.com/sustainability.